The Lot Pro series of product that we're about to show you with the 9-position mechanical wing is a product that we introduced last year based on the demand from the marketplace to be able to take a standard straight blade and be able to add some flexibility to it to give contractors more ability with various types of jobs that they have to deal with. It is a mechanical bolt-on wing. It'll bolt on to any existing 7.5 to 10-foot plow that Meyer manufactures, both on the full trip configuration and on the trip edge, starting in 2012. The unique thing about the wing, it bolts onto an existing moldboard, so you don't have to have an existing product with a dedicated hydraulic circuit to be able to functionality. It is very mechanical and is very simple, but then it also gives the customers 9 positions of opportunity to set the wing depending on the configuration that they want. In our wing, what we've done is we've actually integrated a auto angle cylinder that we use on another one of our products to act as a shock absorber is probably the easiest way to explain it. So when that operator hits an obstacle, whether it happens to be a curb edge, a manhole cover, a corner of a building, or a telephone pole, it automatically retracts back without creating any damage to the wing or the plow itself, or more importantly, the vehicle. One of the unique things about a Meyer plow is it's all pre-configured to accept any accessories, whether it happens to be the 9-position wing that we're talking about, our various types of snow deflectors, our shock absorber kits, or any other various OEM accessories that we have. What's unique about this wing is you'll notice it bolts up on 3 different positions, and then there's also a piece of tubular structural that goes into the structure of the back end of the moldboard to add strength and rigidity and increase integrity into what we're doing. What happens is, right now you'll see that this wing is set up in the 45-degree configuration. You'll also notice that there's a series of holes here that allows the customer to choose the different positions if they want to extend 12 inches out to each side, if they want to have it in the 45 like you see it today, or if you want to totally bring it into a 90-degree and have like a containment plow like a lot of people are used to. And what happens is all of a sudden it's in the 45-degree, I'm plowing along and I hit that curb and you'll notice it retracts.
So let me take a look at the back here, and it's retracting. Is this the shock absorber?
Yes, this is a double action compression spring cylinder that is industrial grade. It's used in a lot of industrial manufacturing applications. And as I stated earlier, we discovered this a couple of years ago with another product that we introduced that automatically angles the plow when it's fully loaded with the snow. And we were able to adapt that technology into this wing. Another nice advantage about this wing, when a customer for whatever reason doesn't want to have the wing on there, it's very easily to simply remove this pin here. You grab the mitt-sized handle, you can pull this pin out, and all of a sudden this entire wing is now removed from the plow itself. It can go in the back of the truck, and all you have that remains in place is a mounting plate.
And what type of weight is that when you're pulling that off?
It's relatively reasonable. It's probably about a 25 to 28 pound weight per side, so it's really nothing at all. So, any operator, can handle it quite easily.
Yeah. This is the handle that you grab right here.
Yep. So you pull this out. You got a top and a bottom there. So it's designed to be able to take gloves, yep. Small hands, big hands, whatever it happens to be.
So essentially, you could run one wing if that's all you need. If you're doing a curve, you just put one wing on and just run that way.
Absolutely. Or a lot of people that are doing roadways into facilities or whatever, you're coming in on the right side of the driveway, they'll close this into the containment plow mode, yeah. They'll open that one fully up, they'll angle the plow, so you're discharging discharging the snow all the way off the roadway. And it gives the operator the ability to adjust the left and the right side, not having to have a dedicated position because of the hydraulic circuit like some of the other manufacturers use. Everything is sold as individual service parts, so anything you see here, from this shock absorber to the rubber flap down here at the bottom to this pin, are all sold as individual service parts. So it's very user-friendly. The whole purpose is low-cost repairs, if any, that should have to be made. And more importantly, giving the operator flexibility with what they can do with their plow and what kind of services they can provide.